We are back with Jerry's 2014 RZR S, fresh from a rebuild. But we noticed the gas pedal is binding right there. And then it goes down, so. New throttle cable going in today. Obviously, the throttle cable starts there, and it goes through the firewall, up through, under the fuel tank, around to up here, and then to the intake, which is behind these two pipes. The easiest way to get to it is just take the box off. But we've never tried it before. We're going to try to do it with just taking these two breathers off. Take this one off, just a clamp at the bottom, and there's two push pins holding it up. And then hopefully that'll come down. And this one, there's a clamp down there, and I think this one just kind of goes up through the hole. So we're gonna get those out of the way, and then we should be able to see the throttle body intake deal right there. Looks like we're gonna have enough space to get what we need. We just have to take that cover off. What size are those? Torque something?
Yeah. 20s.
Torque's 20s. These clamps were 6mm or a common screwdriver. So he's gonna work on getting that cover off, and we have to take the center console out. Got the cover off. You can move this around, shuffle enough that you can get to what you need to get to. That's all clear. And I took the center console out. Now I'm going to, from here you can replace it without taking the skid plate off, but this time I want to try and see what's going on with it underneath the gas. So we're gonna throw this on the lift and pop that skid plate down and see what's going on. So here's where it goes underneath. Down through the middle and over to that frame rail. And there's a little ring guy. There you can get it out of. And then it goes back further. Into here. Before it goes up. It feels very tight in here. I don't know as if this is going to work. And all of a sudden done, it might just get cut out anyway. This is trees and stuff in here.
Hot dikes?
No. So it comes through. There's another one of those clips holding it.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
You're loose.
As long as we can get it through that tight little spot, that is snug, man. We should be good. So we're letting it back down. We're going to disconnect both ends of the cable and pull the new one through. Here's how to disconnect it. This is on the throttle pedal. This is on the outside, and the screws go from the inside out. And then this is fed through a loop on the throttle pedal itself. You have to push that out of the loop, and then there's a groove you can slide the cable out of. This side is threaded in. This is where your adjustment is too. So you have to manually open the throttle so that you can work this out of it, and then unthread. Got that unthreaded. Now we can send that back through. he's still working on this. Oh, you can see you got one screw there, the other screw is back in there. And he already got that little yellow eyelet out. Sent out through there.
Okay, let's try that again.
Oh, it got you good.
There it is. Not like I can push really hard. Oh, yes. I think. Yep.
It's quite an apparatus you have there. Let the record show we tried to do it right, but you cannot get it through here unless you remove the gas can tank. We're not doing that, so plan B. There.
Oh, that came out easy.
Now it's out of there. And we're just gonna run it up this side and up through here. Okay, fishing the new one through. It goes down through the middle with everything else.
Oh, there it is.
Over.
Here?
Oh, you're abandoning the entire.
Oh, I was going back.
So there's a clip right here,
Right.
and there's a clip right there.
But if we put this clip there, look what it's doing up by the shaft. It's rubbing the shaft.
Then it didn't come down exactly that way.
Nope, we need to go over the shaft.
Ah.
Let me do that.
Okay.
There we go.
Now it's clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in that clip.
Okay. Next one's on the cross member. Oh, your boot is getting stuck. There you go. Keep that with it. This is the boot.
We were gonna go on this side, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we have to.
There it is. Uh-huh. And
it just goes up.
goes up. How much do you need? Now once you get that in the hole, if you hold it, I'll put that one screw in.
Okay.
Oh, you got it?
Yep, it's in the hole.
Do you need the light?
Nope.
I think the screw might be in your way.
Okay, try now.
Nothing's happening.
It's threaded.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm not centered. Okay,
Well.
right about there.
Okay.
It's tight already.
Hold on.
So we got this all up here, and we're threading it in. All the way.
Let's go all the way. You just threw things down in here, didn't you?
Yeah. So you're hooked up on this side?
You see it?
So he's already in that side. Look at that. Okay?
So pull all you can on that one.
So he goes back over. Yeah. Because you have to pull this down and it has to sit in this groove down there. See that groove? And then you have to push this open.
You want me to do that with a screwdriver?
Yep, I got it. And then feed that in the little slot. And then when you're done, it should sit just like that.
Look at that. And what happens when I hit the gas pedal? A lot of play, a lot of slop.
That's in your pedal though. That's normal.
Okay.
Then it takes up that, and then Idle is hitting the idle screw. Full throttle hits full throttle screw. So
Tighten those babies up.
doesn't need any adjusting.
Did you tighten up the nuts?
Nope.
You're gonna?
I'm gonna right now.
I can't reach.
Can't.
There you go. We're sideways.
This part's not very exciting. It is locked in. Slide the loop down. What'd you do?
Maybe caught the fence and the fence fell down. And now it's kind of caught and I got car truck halfway in the road.
And we're back. Sorry for that brief intermission. Adam went ahead and hit my neighbor's fence real quick. Because we didn't have enough going on today. So, gotta seal. Oh yeah, you gotta get that clamp back on. Get that all sealed back up. You already put the screws back on there. Nicely done.
I had to use this. You know there's a gasket underneath that plate?
Yeah.
It was all off laying below it now. So I put a little dab in every corner.
Perfect. So here's our new routing. And it comes over through this clip, factory clip there. And it goes kind of off to the side and to the right of the gas tank. Zip tie. And then it goes out the back. And over to factory clip along that back frame rail. From there it's factory. He is just checking now to make sure that it isn't going to be touching the drive shaft.
Yep.
We did it, yay!
Hey, throttle cable's fixed.
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
And that spot is gone. So it's clunking into gear now because the throttle cable's too tight.
This is
So.
what we showed the people
Yeah.
how to mess up.
Yep. So now we gotta take it back apart. Just put yourself in the face.
I bit my lip.
And make an adjustment. here is our adjuster. So we're gonna crack that one loose. A little bit like that. And then we gotta turn this one in.
You just tightened it.
I know, it's a double. It is in all the way. Check it a little bit. Brake. Yeah, that's it. Cool. That wasn't so bad. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, it goes in and out easy now. That's it.
So smooth now.
Yeah. We did it. That's the same one that just got an engine rebuild, new belt, and now a new throttle cable. So he should be in good shape for a long time. If you like that video, and we feel we earned it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other videos. We really appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time on 3 Day Weekend.